Hey guys, it's Crystal here and welcome back to my channel. It's lovely seeing you again. I know it's been a while. Exam season is over and all assessments are done. So it is time for me to go home and move out. So I thought I'd just give you a little insight into what moving out was like for me. So I hope you enjoy. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe. Let me know what kind of videos you'd like to see next. And without further ado, here's the video. Just kind of wanted to document what the room is like now. There's literally nothing here. Just a few things. These were my drawers. When I would film, I put my phone here on this ledge. And my pin board with loads of stuff, but it's all gone now. The little portable heater that they gave me because, you know, sometimes the room needs to be a bit warmer. Heat would escape from the window. I don't know if it was double glazed. I think it was, but for some reason the heat just escaped. So yeah, here is my wardrobe. Basically this is what I fit in. There's a Hoover here. I used it to Hoover, but I don't know if you can really see the space. Let me move it. So this was the space I had. It was enough space to like to put stuff in. Obviously, you know, I have a bit of clothes and stuff. So this is where I put my shoes. I put my clothes on this, and then I used like the bottom half to put some extra like Irish trousers or tops or whatever. The remaining ones would go there. So yeah. These would have all of my miscellaneous stuff, you know, some extra things in there, stationery and all that. And then I could put stuff underneath the bed. There's quite a little of space on this one, so which was quite helpful. And obviously the bathroom. So the bathroom was a wet room, so it had like the curtain, as you can see here, and then obviously the toilet. So, and there's the mirror. So you can basically see the size of the bed. It was like a nice, would you call it, I think they call it a small double bed, but it was very spacious, had enough space. That was where the window was, and because the window was there, so light could like seep through, and yeah, it messed with my like sleeping habits or whatever, but yeah, we forget about that. It was fine. It was fun. I learned how to like position the curtain very well so that I could sleep better. But I figured it out quite later in the terms and stuff. But yeah, I'm now a pro at it, so I know what to do. This room was really nice. It was helpful. I learned a lot. I stayed here a lot, especially with COVID, but I learned a lot too, yeah. I appreciate the time I was here. So, we did it, yay! See my hand going like this. We did it, yay! So moving out took a bit of time. It's a good thing that I was doing little by little every day towards the end of when exams were going to be over, because I had to move out literally the next day. So yeah, it worked out well. There is the room now, completely clear, free. Bye room. Home time. I was thinking this year went by so quickly and I learned so much and grew a lot too. I'm pretty grateful for what happened throughout this year. We did well. Give yourself a pat on the back. I think this is the first time you've seen me fully in the video. Hello! Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you soon.
Mommy's on the phone too.
Yeah, I'm home.